Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Wenkabi. Njengamanje bafethu sithi welcome back to Starting 11. Siqeda kubuka umdlalo weMamelodi Sundowns versus Sekhukhune ophele ngo-3-1 but njengenjwayelo bafethu niyazi ukuthi ngihamba noSibuda Lebuda, uSibuda wama-jokes. Sibuda grand.
Yo, what's up, man?
Hayi ngigrand man.
Yeah, cool, man.
Man. Mfethu asingene emidlalweni ubona kanjani umdlalo?
Yeah, umdlalo budembesela first half. Waba mnandi second half. Engikubonile-ke kwisikhukhune. It's an unusual defense yabo. Kushode uLanga.
Okay.
Yeah, bapartnerisha uLanga, uKhadoso, uNdlovu lapha ukuze babe mnandi. So babe nokuxegaxega emuva namhlanje. So first 8 minutes Sekhukhune ayibesidlalela irafu nje ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
Bamtsipha ubhozo uMatthews. Uthebe Mqidu ubhozo kwathiwa foul. Wasephuma egroundini wayohlala ngale kwebhodi leli elihlala ball boy. Wadonsa isigqiki, wathatha ifoni, wabukela ama-post ku TikTok Starting 11.
Ubani lo
Matthew.
Oh yeah.
Uze wabuya nini 18 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, iloko ehlalile nje lapha 18 minutes.